जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 16th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, those who are willing to be relieved from the clutches of karma, they are known as mumukshu. So what kind of karma those mumukshu supposed to be doing, and what kind of karma those mumukshu not supposed to be doing? In this aspect, even great scholars also unable to come to a definite conclusion and definite decision for Arjuna. But now I am going to give you a very clear understanding about what kind of karma you supposed to be doing, so that you would be able to get rid of the clutches of the karma and the clutches of the papam, sin. So listen to me carefully. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma is going to help not only Arjuna but every one of us understand about what kind of karma we supposed to be doing to get rid of the clutches of papam. While listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma carefully, while having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Kim karma kimakarmeti kavayopi atra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे अशुभात्। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing your duties as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुक महर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Virat Purushas, the divine body, to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, Pumsaha Sisna Upasthastu Prajati Ananda Nirvruttehe. For the success, for the Viryam, for the Srishti, for the Parjanya, for the Prajapati, for all of these, the place in Virat Purusha's divine body is procreators. And, O Narada, the pleasure that the husband and wife gets out of counteracting, that pleasure, the place for the pleasure in Virat Purusha's divine body is genitals. And then for Yama, Mitra, for them the place in Virat Purusha's body is the outlet of evacuation. And for Mrityu and Narakam, the place in Virat Purusha's body is rectum. And for the misfortune, for adharmam, for ajnanam, the place in Virat Purusha's divine body is back. And for all the rivers, the place in Virat Purusha's body is veins. And for all the mountains, the place in Virat Purusha's body is bones. O Narada, for avyaktam, for all kind of tastes, and for oceans, for all the entities, and for the dissolution, for all this, the place in Virat Purusha's body is belly. And for the manas, the place in Virat Purusha's body is hridayam, heart. And for dharmam, chaturmukha, sanaka, rudra, vijnanam, mahattattvam, for all these, the place in Virat Purusha's body is Atma, which is also known as Antahkaranam. O Narada, like this, Tena idam avrutam visvam vitastim adhitishtati, the entire universe, the entire creation came out of Paramatma, Paramapurusha, Srimannarayana. And it is being controlled, governed by Sakshat Srimannarayana. It is being bearing by Sakshat Srimannarayana Virat Purusha. He is the one who is holding the entire universe. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining to Narada Maharshi. The same thing is explained by Sri Suka Yogindra to Parikshin Narendra. And the same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. శ్లోకాస్ ఫ్రమ్ ముకుందమాలా స్తోత్రం. హే మర్త్యాః పరమం హితం శృణుతవో వక్ష్యామి సంక్షేపతః. సంసారార్ణవ మాపదూర్మి బహుళం సమ్యక్ ప్రవిశ్య స్థితాః. నానాజ్ఞానమపాస్య చేతసి నమో నారాయణాయేత్యముం. మంత్రం సప్రణవం ప్రణామసహితం ప్రావర్తయధ్వం ముహుః. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః. కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః. కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం. కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 4th చాప్టర్ 16th శ్లోక. కిం కర్మ కిమకర్మేతి కవయోపి అత్ర మోహితాః. తత్తే కర్మ ప్రవక్ష్యామి యజ్ఞాత్వా మోక్ష్యసే శుభాత్. కిం కర్మ కిమకర్మేతి కవయోప్యత్ర మోహితాః. తత్తే కర్మ ప్రవక్ష్యామి యజ్ఞాత్వా మోక్ష్యసే శుభాత్. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.